In this video, I'm going to show you how to write text in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to enable this drawings panel on the left. So go to the top left, click on your profile icon, and then enable the drawings panel over here by toggling this button. Now, from here, you want to click on this T button. By default, it's going to be this one. And when you do that, of course, it's going to allow you to click anywhere on your screen and start typing on your text. Then you can, of course, change the color of your text. You could go and change the size of it, etc. Okay, now that's one way. However, you also have different ways. So if you want to write text, you could also go over here, select this arrow next to the T button, and here you can add like notes. On here you can add tables, comments, stuff like that. So if I put on a note like this, for example, as you can see, I can put on text like this. I can also use something like a table where it's going to allow me to create a table and then fill the text in here. So I can do it like this, for example. There we go. And then I can also go and put something like a comment. So I can add a comment over here like this, for example, which is also quite nice looking. And then, yeah, you have a bunch of different ways. Just use the one that you prefer the most, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.